turakomeje rero tugeje kuri Kataya nanone turacyari kuri junior z'abagore ubu urana ko ari abana bato akenshi muri ibi bintu bya karate ntago hakunze kubamo ubujura bw'imyaka cyane nk'ibikunze kuba muri ku banyafurika ubona ko koko aba ari abajunior ari abana bato cyane
urabona ko nk'uyu nguyu rwose aracyafite amashereka rwose
biragaragara ntago bikunze kubaho cyane nko mu yindi mikino uyu rero akaba ari Mohamed Toka Hesham wo muri Egypt akaba ari we akaba agiye guhura na Swat Maivon Neldi
muri Namibia.
Yes.
Uno mu Misiri.
Uyu ni umwana wo mu Misiri akaba
mugenzi we hari arimo arasaba iduwa. Imana rwose dufashe dutsinda.
Imana gira uko bigenza.
Abana bari muri kategori y'ibiro nka bingahe munsi ya 50
muri kata ntago ari muri kategori y'ibiro ahubwo ni kategori y'imyaka niyo bakurikiza gusa
muri kumite nibwo bareba ibiro
yes
ko shora gukubita umuntu ingumi bipima nk'ibiro nka bingahe basanga ibiro byawe ari byinshi no mpamvu bagiye
ari abantu ngo bakubitaga ingumi ifite nk'ibiro nka 200 iyo ngumi rero ifasha umuntu urumva ko yamugenza
guhera
iyi kata rero yitwa Gojushusho
Gojushusho agenda bimenya boro
biraza turaza gusazira irushanwa nguha umukanda
urahera kuwuhe buriya
ndaguha umweru ntacyo
kera najyaga nzamura ukuguru nari hatari
ngira ngo urabona ko aka kana ukurikije nanone n'imyaka gafite ukareba condition physique gafite ariko ukareba force kari gushyira muri kata nayo ngira ngo ni ikintu nicyo ntigeze ntakubwiyeho mu byo abajaje bareba ubona ko uriya muhungu wo muri uyu muhungu uvuyemo muri Botswana ikintu cyanamutsinze cyane yakoze kata nziza ikomeye ariko ingufu ari nkeya ariko uriya musore akora kata nziza imworoheye ariko agaragaza ingufu cyane muri iriya kata iyi ngufu rero iyo zitandukanye rwose iyo barushijwe ingufu muri kata akenshi uratsindwa
urabona uburyo azamura umwuka
ni isomo rikomeye buriya kujera umwuka muri kata kujera umwuka muri kata ni isomo rikomeye cyane ku buryo cyane ku mukompetiteur biba bimusaba ko abyiforsa kuko hari nko kubakora komba cyane utazi kujera umwuka ushobora gukubitwa nk'igipfunsi mu nda ugahita ugwa kawo kubera ko umwuka wawe utabasha kuwumanaginga.
That is Mohamed Toka, who has been playing the Kata, so that is her category. There comes in now another one from Namibia. That is Swat Maivon NLG from Namibia. Very young. She looks very young.
Oh, she looks very young, yeah.
Very young and very serious. If you see the face,
yeah,
she's up for the fight.
Yeah, sure.
The way she moves. Hano burya agenda akora amamuvuma nawe itonze ukugura ashyira hirya ku ruhande yongera kugarura.
This young let's predict who is going to win and see. Who is going to win for you, Romaria?
Well, I'm not such an expert in this karate, but you know, there are some techniques that I consider when making or announcing the winner. But in my opinion, Mohamed Toka from Egypt has actually displayed some good techniques, her demonstration, her movements with some energy.
Some energy, yeah.
Yes.
That's the difference with this young lady. I see she's a little bit weak
Yeah,
comparing to
she doesn't seem to be very aggressive with a lot
very
of
aggressive
energy.
and very strong.
Yeah,
She may lose this game. Let's see. Let's see.
let's see.
Do you see all all the five all the five referees give the
Ah, yes, they announce as the winner, and the winner is Mohamedi Toka from Egypt.
yeah.
Yeah. She has been competing against Swat Maivone Neldi from Namibia, and she's been able to be victorious in this category of Kata.
She's the second.
Yeah.
It's a very nice place also too. The second one in Africa is for
Yeah.
junior players. It's a nice place too.
Yeah.